Hey y'all, I'm Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways. What is stewing and brewing in my kitchen today? Today I am making tostadas in my outside kitchen. We're actually in Fort Myers this week, and we full-time RV. And so my kitchen, my outdoor kitchen, is different everywhere we go because some places the ground's not level or flat, or sometimes the weather doesn't allow me to cook outside. But I love to cook outside if weather permitting. I'm heating up 3 of these cans of ranch style beans. A friend told me about them. Actually, my friend Wendy in Ohio told me about these, and I don't typically buy them, but I bought them for this purpose, heating up 3 of these in my Bella ceramic nonstick skillet. There's a link down below if you want to buy one of these, an Amazon link, and you can find that down there. I really like this skillet. We eat tostadas a lot. They are just easy to eat. I usually buy these tostada shells, and this time I have this shredded quesadilla cheese that I'm going to use. This time I've got cabbage, and then I'm going to have put some of my candied jalapenos on top, and that'll be lunch. I also have my bread machine in my outdoor kitchen, my downstairs kitchen I call it. See, I've got my refrigerator, and currently my refrigerator and my toaster oven and my bread machine. And so I am making herb bread for our spaghetti for tonight. So you can make homemade foods when you are full-time RVing. Now, one thing we're going to do in a little bit, and I'll show you, is we are going to use this as a rotisserie oven, and we're going to make a rotisserie chicken. So that should be interesting. This is a what is this? Farberware 6-slice digital black SS toaster oven. And I like it. Fits down here in our outdoor kitchen. Sometimes we put it over here on our table area. Right now I'm toasting the tostada shells. I've baked cornbread in a cast iron skillet. I've baked casseroles. And like I said, in a little bit we're going to try to figure out if we can do a rotisserie chicken in here for the first time. Okay, I'm going to take my bread out of the bread machine. By the way, my friend Miss Claire in Georgia made this for me. And then I made this one. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to take the bread out of the bread machine. I've had this bread machine forever. My wonderful mother-in-law for years got me something for the kitchen for my request. But just look at that. Look at that. Come closer and see how it just... Look at that. Oh, whoa. Look at that, y'all. Take a look. Take a sniff of that. And then the kids are about to film their show and tell for the Heritage Homestead Journey channel, and I'm going to sneak the end off the bread with some fresh butter. Do y'all like to sneak the end? Who likes the end of the bread? So the other thing I've told you, we are going to rotisserie. I don't know if that's a verb or not, but we're going to rotisserie a chicken. And Mr. Patient got this natural chicken. I don't know if it's organic, but that's okay. A natural chicken. And we're going to put it in here. And this is the first time I'm using this as a rotisserie oven. So John Boy pointed out that he thinks we need to put, if you want to see what I'm doing here, we're going to put this through the chicken, and then we're going to secure it on with these little dewies, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Now, I don't know about flavorings or seasonings or anything, and we've got our paper towel down here. John Boy, we can disinfect this table here in a minute after we're through. But I don't know about seasonings or anything, so I'm just going to experiment and not put I have this that we're going to use. This Goya or Hoya, I don't know how to pronounce it. Adobo all-purpose seasoning that I got in the Keys, or at a grocery store, in the Keys the other day. Now, normally we would keep those. It would be good to make. You know what? We could keep those innards, but that reminds me, we need to make a broth out of these bones when we're done. All right. So that's easy because you know it's already got holes all the way through. So like he said, we're just going to. Are we gonna? What'd you say? I didn't hear you. Can't hear you. No, don't touch it. Am I gonna what? What'd you say? Stuff it? You said?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not stuffing. I'm rotisserating. I don't know what the verb is.
It's completely empty.
Yes, it is. We're gonna see how this works out. It's got to be in between these grooves. I really don't know what I'm doing, but if I can look like I know what I'm doing, that's half the battle, I think. Okay, I'm gonna kind of mush it on there, mash it on there. Here's,
yeah, that's how you
hello, I'm gonna fly away. Okay.
Your wings have been clipped.
Now, I'm going to let you sprinkle some of that on top. Don't touch the chicken itself because I don't want to cross-contaminate everything. Cover it.
Ooh, we're covering it.
Okay, that's enough.
Time for the other side.
Well, you're kind of pouring it. Let's not pour so much. Okay, we're going to stick her in here. Can you open the door of the oven? I'm supposed to be using, those wings are going to get caught. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm supposed to be using this thing.
Now we
I
have
read
the yellow
the directions. Actually, no, I think that's supposed to be just a thing to help me get it in there, but I've got hands. Okay.
You can just grab a fork and stab it
Now,
to get it out.
I can't do this because of my hands. Go push the function button. Okay. Turn it to the word rotisserie. Keep turning until you see the word. I never knew how to spell. Okay, stop. Back up. Rotisserie is a hard word for me to spell. Turn the time control function to the desired time. I don't know how much time I need. Turn the temperature control knob to the desired temperature. I don't know.
24 minutes?
Thought it would do it for me. 24 minutes? No. The default temperature is 400. Default operations 1 hour. Let's just go with default. Here, press start. Let's just do 400 for an hour. Oh, it's turning. Yay.
It is leaking.
It's dripping. It's going to drip. Here, stand back. Let our friends see in there. Y'all want to see? Yay! Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what happens after an hour. Well, after 2 hours, there's our rotisserie chicken. I think it's looking great. I have the light on it because as y'all can see, it's dark outside now. We're just finishing up our supper where we had salad, homemade bread, and homemade spaghetti for supper. All right, our rotisserie chicken. Awesome, I'm so excited. Thanks for joining our kitchen today. Bye, y'all.